Hello friends, today I am sharing a beautiful crochet flower coaster tutorial that is simple, cute and perfect for beginner. In this video, we will create a lovely flower shaped coaster step by step using easy stitches. You can use it decorate your table or gift it to someone special. So let's start crocheting together. For this project, we will need two type of t-shirt yarn, a 6 hook and scissors. So let's start making it. First we will make a magic ring. If you want a detailed video on how to make a magic ring, you can visit my channel. After that, make one single crochet, followed by one chain stitch. Next, make double crochet stitches. In the same way, we have to repeat the double crochet stitches and make a total of 11 double crochet. Here our total 11 double crochet stitches are completed. After this, pull the free loop as much as possible so that the ring closes completely into a circle. After that, we will close the ring with one slip stitch. Then remove the loop from the hook and insert it back into the same stitch. Now make one single crochet in same stitch. Then make one chain stitch and one double crochet in same stitch. After that, in the next stitch, make 2 double crochet in same stitch. In the same way, repeat 2 double crochet stitches all around the circle. Here, our double crochet stitches are completed. Now adjust the circle properly. Now we will cut the working yarn. After that, we will close the ring and continue with the second color of yarn. As you can see in the video, I have shown how I close it. You have to do the same. After that, make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2 and last one 3. After this, take 2 loops on the hook. Then pull one more loop from the same stitch. Now close 2 loops together 2 times. Again take 2 loops. pull one loop from the same stitch and close two loops together. Repeat this process 2 times. After that, close the remaining 3 loops together at once. After this, make 3 chain stitches and close them with slip stitch in the same stitch. Then make 2 slip stitches. From the second stitch, repeat the same process that we did for the first petal. Keep adjusting the petals properly while making them. In the same way, you have to make petals all around the circle. You have to skip one stitch and make petals in the second stitch. Here, our flower's petals are almost completed and ready. Now, we will cut the working yarn and pull it upward. After that, as you can see in the video, repeat the same method I used to close it properly. Here on the back side, fix all the free loops one by one properly and securely. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Here our flower coaster completed. Thanks for watching.